Okay, so if you want to hide all your Facebook photos, we're going to look at two separate settings, your own uploads and photos that you're tagged in. To do this in the mobile app, open Facebook, tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap those three dots in the top right corner, and from the profile settings that open, we're going to go to Activity Log. Once you're in the Activity Log, we're first going to expand the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. And from the options and open up below that, we'll go to Manage Posts. Here, you can use the filter to make sure it's set to show your posts, photos, and videos. Select that, and then you can either check all the photos and videos you want to hide, or if you'd prefer to hide everything at once, just check the box up top that says All. Once you've made your selections, tap the three dots down here and choose Change Audience. From there, you can pick between Public, Friends, or Only Me. Select Only Me, and all the posts you just checked will now only be visible to you. And of course, if you'd rather just delete everything instead of just hiding it, you can use the Trash button here to delete photos and posts. Once that's done, we also want to handle photos that you're tagged in or might get tagged in going forward. Basically, someone else could upload a photo, tag you in it, and those photos would then show up on your profile. To prevent that, get back to your main Facebook feed, tap the menu in the top left, or on some phones that menu sometimes shows on bottom right instead, and go to Settings, which will be available under the Settings and Privacy category. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to Audience and Visibility, and there's a section here for Profile and Tagging. Go there and find the setting for Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. Tap the arrow to expand the options and select who you want to be able to see those tagged posts. I'll set mine to Only Me as well, meaning anything I'm tagged in won't be displayed to my Facebook friends, it'll only show up on my end. And one more thing worth knowing. When uploading new photos going forward, you can tap the Audience Selector button on the post creation screen and choose Only Me before posting. Facebook will actually remember that preference for future posts too, until you change it again. And that is how you hide all your Facebook photos in the mobile app. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.